Let's divide 180 by 2. Hey Math Explorers, ready to dive into some awesome division? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun math adventures with Let's Stud. Hey there Math Whiz, let's start our division adventure. We look at the first digit of 180, which is 1. We'll use this lonely number for now. How many times does 2 fit into 1? It doesn't, so we write a 0 up top. 0 times 2 is 0, we write that down. 1 minus 0 is 1, that's our remainder for this step. You're doing great, don't worry about that 0 on top, it's just a placeholder. Now, let's bring down the next digit to make our number bigger. Awesome, we've got a 1 and a 0 making 10. Wait, we have an 8, so we have 18. We bring down the next digit, 8, to join the 1, creating the number 18. How many times does our divisor 2 fit into 18? Think of your 2 times tables, it's 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Write that 18 right below our 18. Now we subtract. 18 minus 18 equals 0, easy peasy. Woohoo, you're crushing it, see, we're almost there. We've used all the digits, let's check if there's anything left. Last step, we look at our remainder, which is 0. We also have a 0 left in the dividend. We bring down the last digit 0 to join the remainder 0, making it 0. How many times does 2 fit into 0? It fits 0 times. 0 times 2 is 0, write that 0 next to the 9. 0 minus 0 is 0, we have no remainder left. You did it, you're a long division superstar. We've reached the end, our final answer is 90, great job. We found that 180 divided by 2 is 90. Great job, everyone. We just tackled 180 divided by 2 using long division. Remember, breaking it down step by step makes even big numbers friendly. That's all for today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out more cool math videos on Let's Stud.